So after I made a post letting my followers knew that internet remain one of the best university, the best free university you and I can leverage. So a lot of people deem me asking me question, how can their children leverage the internet? Children less than 13 years old. So that prompted this post thread live now at World Socio title The Use of the Internet and Your Children. The truth is that a lot of parents they are afraid of letting or giving their children access to the internet, which is normal. It is normal, but you still need to understand that these children are born into the era of internet technology, not just the era of internet technology, the era of advanced internet technology. So literally they are part of the internet technology. So, and Google being the number one portal, the number one tech portal around the world, has also made things easier for people, okay, because most of this internet access start from Google. It's either you're searching Google or you're using Google Gmail. The same happens to Bing or Live, Yahoo, email, etc. So Google has also specified how you as a parent, we as a parent can assist the children to do what? To access, leverage the internet possibility. And that I have detailed live on this post shared live at What Socio. Okay, among the sites Google have recommended is safesearchkids.com is one of the sites Google has recommended. It's also a search engine, but search engine directory for children. Okay, less than 13 years down. Another one is kindle.co. Okay, it's very, very good. These two portals are search engine. While YouTube alike for children is simple. YouTubekids.com is owned by Google and is safe for the children. Okay, so these are the sites you as a parent can do what? Give your children access to. Maybe your children have their own smart mobile phone, which is not bad. Your children have a desktop computer or laptop computer, which is not bad. So, and you want those their devices to have internet access, you can call a good developer or someone who is a tech person to configure, in the sense that your children can access sites. Okay, these three sites. Likewise, they are linked about. You understand? So any site the children are accessing should be well recommended, should be a site recommended for children. Okay? And of course, these children are smart in learning. That is one thing we the parents will feel. They are smarter than us. I'm telling you the truth. Okay, you see, some people try to hide it for their children. Some people are shy from their children. They think they know more than these children. No, we don't know more than them. They are smarter than us. So instead of you hiding this possibility, okay, from them, from bringing your children close to you and educate them on internet usage, proper internet usage, you need to educate them. You need to inform them. They will prefer, they will stay safe across the internet community if they learn this basic internet access from you. Okay, so what am I trying to say? Instead of we, the parent, try to play smart, staying shy away from the children, we don't want to teach the children how to use the internet the right way based on their age. We don't want to tell them the facts. Imagine children accessing google.com is not proper. Even children accessing Facebook is not proper. Okay? This thing need to be guided, and you need to let them know the reason. You tell them, hey, Google.com is not for children, it's not children friendly, it's not recommended for you people, it's for adults. You give them reasons. Okay, you try to let them understand. Okay, they themselves, their age cannot comprehend life on this platform. You tell them there's nothing to hide there. They will understand and they will like it. And guess what? When they understand you as their parent, most of them will be patient enough. They will patiently wait till they come of age to use the internet. Okay, there was a children that I trained, that should be 2017. Okay, most of them, they are not using the internet. They now have access. Sometimes they come and say, wow, Uncle Watson, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I say, you're welcome. Okay, and their parents also played a great role. Okay, they never access the site they are not supposed to access. They never access it till they come of age. And guess what? Someone cannot put them online and it check them. Someone cannot come on Facebook and try to brainstorm them. Hey, you know this kind of thing. It doesn't work because they were well trained on how to do what, use the internet. Now, if you fail not to teach your children how to use the internet, the community, the society, the public will teach them. And most of this public that will teach them are adults who are not learned about the usage of the internet. Go across the internet, check who are misusing it. Are they children? Let's leave TikTok out of it. Come on Facebook, go Google, etc. Some content there that are not good to, oh my God, are created by adults. Adults. Some of them say they are doing it for content. So that is what this post here is all about. You can head straight to What Socio. The article is there. The use of the internet and your children. You can go there and read it up. And remember, humble self, Mbono Waxing. Thank you so much and bye for now.